Hi, biology students. We are now moving from the yellow evolution unit folders to the red ones called subtitled natural selections. So we'll learn what that term means. So you'll be looking in that folder for future activities. Today our goal is to start to answer this question, our central unit question is what causes populations of organisms to change over time? So your only assignment today is to try to answer that question. And know that your answer today will be different than your answer at the end of the unit when you learn more. So you're giving it your best knowing what you know now. So I'm going to give you 3 examples of how populations change over time. So here are 3 questions for lesson 1 that scientists have wondered about. First is why have some antibiotics, which is medicine we take when we're sick with a bacterial infection, that once killed many kinds of bacteria, stopped being as effective at killing these bacteria. So the medicine we take has to change because the bacteria isn't being killed anymore. Second, there's these little mice called deer mice. Deer mice populations living in Nebraska, which is a state that's west of Minnesota, generally have dark colored fur. When they moved to a different environment that was light colored, the hills, the sand hills were light colored, why did their fur change from dark brown to light brown? And last, the peppered moth, which is this little creature right here, and this little creature right here. Moths are kind of like butterflies. The peppered moth living in the forest outside of London used to be light color with black spots. When the air in London became filled with soot is the black stuff that is left after we burn things like wood and coal. So it was filled with just pollution, dirty air, soot. Because of the Industrial Revolution, that's when we started to burn things for energy. If you guys remember that from social studies. Suddenly the white trees became darker and the moths also became darker. So what caused that change? So you can think of these 3 examples when you answer the unit central question. So here are the 3 different organisms again that changed over time: the population of bacteria, the deer mice, and the peppered moth. You're going to go to the Schoology Lesson 1 folder and answer the question. And I'm going to save your answers, and then we can compare them at the end of the unit to see how they've changed. Any questions, send an email, and I will get back to you.